everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a while, things have been crazy, and I just have not had much of a chance to do anything. I've turned a few things, I'm learning how to turn pins, but as far as making videos, I have one video that I still have to edit, and I think I did that in February. But it's been so long since I've done a video that my camera forgot my phone, or my phone forgot my camera, one or the other. It wasn't connected anymore, so I had to redo all that just a few minutes ago. Anyway, it's been so long, and I want to apologize that I haven't had anything posted or anything. So I want to, first video back after a while, I want to do a giveaway, and it's a little small container of Axe. Tom and Annette sent me this. Again, it's been a while back since they sent me this, and I was going to do a giveaway, and I just haven't gotten around to it, so now I'm doing it. So I hope to get that other video edited and put out for you guys. Some of you asked if I'm okay, where have I been, and I appreciate you asking, appreciate the concern. I'm good, just busy. Yeah, if you want it, as before, just say yes please. That way, if you've never tried it before and you wanted to, you can try it out for free. And it's some really good stuff. They got a good product, and I love it. It just makes things easy. And yeah, good luck. And again, thanks for sticking around and not deserting me. Hopefully I'll be back more often. So you guys have a blessed day. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.